Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is horror anthology films. Let's start our topic. Horror anthology films are subgenre of horror movies that consist of several short stories or segments, usually connected by a common theme, setting, or a wraparound narrative that ties the different stories together. Each segment in an anthology film typically has its own plot, characters, and setting, often directed by different film arcs, which can bring a variety of tones and style to the overall film. Key features of horror anthology films: multiple stories. Anthology films are divided into several distinct segments, each telling its own horror story. These stories can range from supernatural tales to physiological horror or even dark humor. Wraparound story. Many horror anthologies include a wraparound story or a framing device that links all the segments together. This could be a narrator, a central location, or a thematic element that appears in each story. Short and concise. Each story in an anthology is usually short and to the point, focusing on delivering a quick and impactful horror experience. This format allows for a range of ideas and secrets to the explored in a single film. Influence on the genre. Horror technology films have a long history in cinema, influencing not just movies but also television series such as the TV Light Zone or Tales from the Crypt. They offer a way for filmmakers to experiment with different horror concepts without committing to a full-length feature. Variety of styles. Since different directors or creative teams often handle each segment, the style, tone, and approach to horror can vary significantly within a single film. This can provide a diverse viewing experience with each segment offering something unique. Examples of horror anthology films: Creepshow, 1982, directed by George A. Remore and written by Stephen King. This film is one of the most famous horror anthologies. It features five different stories, all connected by a comic book theme. Trick or Treat, 2007. This film interweaves several Halloween-themed horror stories, all connected by the appearance of a mysterious trick or creator named Sam. Tales from the Crypt, 1972. Based on the EC comic series, these films feature five stories of horror and normal lessons included by the Crypt Keeper. VHS, 2012, a modern take on the anthology format. This film presents a series of found footage horror stories, all connected by the discovery of mysterious VHS tapes. Horror technology films appeal to fans who enjoy a variety of scares and appreciate the creativity that comes from telling multiple stories within a single movie. They offer a platform for exploring different horror themes and style in a compact and engaging way. Thank you.